not expect to see any of us ever again. And God is so good. God is so good that in 1998, the ancestral remains from Jamaica, Sister Crystal, and the ancestral remains of Samuel Carson from New York City were brought back through what they called at that time the Door of No Return. It has now been renamed the Door of Return. Yes. All right.
So this is the same doors our ancestors were taken away from, and we as the returnee
that the last thing
Africans in the diaspora
as you step away
are returning to reclaim our glory.
This is the last thing that you see. Come this way. And you know, for those of us that have never been to the waters, this is a big river, and that big river gave us some hope. There you go. We thought possibly that we might be coming back. That we were going to find some land on the other side, and we'd be able to go back to our villages. Okay? I'm asking that y'all come through at this time and let us finish the ceremony, and then we will be able to take some photos. But as you see what is in front of you, you have no idea. My brother, let us finish our ceremony and then we can take pictures. Let's finish this and then we can do the tourist thing. We can take some pictures. All right? So let us come out. This is cool. We join our circle. Let us join hands once again. And as we said, this is the door of return. Because this is the door of return. And we're going to hold hands as we close out this portion of our ceremony. Okay? So my brothers, would y'all please take hands? Open circle. I beg. This is a fishing town. Come on here. Come over here.
Okay.
What?